Today is day 43 of our DIY Sprinter van build. I'm going to work on cutting some wood. I'm going to make a nice piece of wood for the platform area, our hangout area, so we can start framing that out, as well as a big piece of wall for the sliding door area. So I'll make that cut. And so let's get started with that, and we will see what else we have time to work on later today. Let's start cutting some wood. I just switched to a new blade, 48 teeth, and got some really clean cuts here. Really nice. Okay, let's test fit this wall here. Go down like this, and this is going to be the dividing wall for the kitchen, hallway, this area, and the activity area / bedroom. This is going to go right here, and it fits pretty good. Fits pretty good. I can also attach the board, which is going to separate also the living room and the activity room here, and that's going to be the first beam for the platform. Let me put that in. So I was cutting a bunch of 7-inch thick boards. Those are going to be the beams for the platform area. I just need to cut it to length to exactly how long this is going to be, so I can get this thing attached. Let me see what we got. Looks like it's 68 3/4. Okay, let's cut them. Okay, let's see how I did with this cut. Not too bad. There's a bit of a gap on this side because the wall is sort of leaning back a little bit like this, tilting back, but overall it fits pretty good. Should be able to get this to attach. So this is going to be the first beam of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beams. That's going to be the platform level. And once this is attached, it officially partitions the front of the van to the back of the van. So it's not going to be an easy access forward and back, but it needs to be done. And this first beam and the last beam, I'm going to double up. So I'm going to be using 2 pieces of the 3/4 ply attach it together so that it has a really stable base. I might do it for all of them, but let's start with this one first. So what I decided to do is I took off the screws. I'm going to put some pocket holes on both sides before I reattach this. So that way I can have 8 contacts using the pocket hole to the beams on the side, on each side. That should be really secure. Try that again. Let's get this thing installed. Okay. We have officially divided our van into the front area and the back area. And now that this wall, this separation is in, we can start framing out the closet, because this is where the bed is going to end or start from here to the back. So I can put the wall here for the closet, and then I can map out how big of a closet we need, and then the pantry afterwards. So this is good. This is 1 beam out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beams, and this is really solid. Really solid. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, this isn't going anywhere. Okay, let's work on something else. And this is the wall that's going to be separating the closet from the living area. So this will go right on this side. And I can also even attach this if I want to right now. And this is going to go right on the beam here, attached on the beam. Okay, but I do need to drill some pocket holes on this before I attach it. Okay, let's mark them. Let's add some adhesive to it and get this wall attached. Let's get some clamps on here. fall down, don't fall down, don't fall down. Okay. 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 Okay, let's put the pocket hole screws in. Now that we got our wall in, we might actually need to make a run over to IKEA to buy the mesh drawers that we're going to be using for the closet here. I want to get the exact measurement of those drawers. I think it's like 23 3/4 of an inch wide. So that's going to be the size of the closet determined by those baskets. So we'll set that. And then right here in the middle will be the pantry. If we have time today, we'll make a IKEA run. Actually, today is Labor Day, so I don't think they're open. So tomorrow, we'll buy those things and we can start making the rest of this closet here. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut more pieces of the 7-inch thick boards. I'm not going to use it today to create the platform just yet because I still need to work on here. I don't want to work in a really tight space. So I'll just cut them first and then we'll install it another day. Let's cut more wood. I got all the pieces of wood cut to length for the platform. Next, I am going to make a box for the wheel well here. This one right here. I'm gonna make a rectangular box to cover it because I'm gonna use the surface of the box for the inverter. That's where it's gonna be. Close it up so I can put some stuff on top. more item to check off on the list. Next, let's get the kitchen side wall installed as well. Took some time to adjust this wall here to get the opening exactly the same. It wasn't really square before, so I had to fix it, but I'm done now. I got to clean up and it's looking really good. 2 walls are in. This is where the sliding door is going to be, and this is where the living room area is going to be. So we're going to see more of that once I start framing it out, and it's going to start looking really nice. It's time for dinner now, so I'm going to wrap up here and we're going to head back inside. Ooh, look what my mom made for dinner. We got some beef and broccoli. Got some chicken thighs, chicken drumsticks, and some beans. Okay. All right, let's eat dinner, Stefana. Okay, all right, guys, that is it for today's video. I feel like I did a lot today. A lot has transformed with the van. We're just adding the walls and just adding that beam, that separation. So we're going to continue building our van tomorrow. If you guys want to keep following our DIY Sprinter van build, hit that subscribe button so you get notified when the new videos come out. And if you enjoy watching this video, smash that like button so that I can spread out to more people. Too. We really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye. You want to say bye-bye, everybody, Spence? You want to say bye-bye to everybody? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Yeah. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.